Hello YouTube family, I hope this video is finding you well. We're entering into the most wonderful time of the year, my favorite time of the year, which are all the months that end in er. So it's still quite warm here where I'm at, but we're celebrating fall. We are getting ready, and I have already started decorating the house as you saw in previous videos. So the house is taken care of. Now let's take care of ourselves. Let's take care of our skin. Let's get a little fancy with our makeup and celebrate the new fall colors that are arriving all across the board. This is an exciting video for me because it's my first kind of sponsored collaboration video, and it's with Mary Kay Cosmetics, and my personal consultant is Wendy Taylor, located in Atlanta, the dirty South. Let's give it up. Oh yes. And before we get to the unboxing, she sent me a little message, which I want to read to you guys. Now getting gorgeous is easier than ever. So go ahead, have a beautiful day with products that have earned the trust and loyalty of millions of women worldwide. And it says another little note from her, which was super sweet. Jamie, thanks for inviting me to be part of your YouTube channel. I'm excited for the new limited edition Mary Kay Fall 2019 collection to be presented by beautiful you. Oh, thank you. See www.mary.com/wtaylor4 or call and text, which I can give you that info if you are interested. And I'm going to post a link down to the website in the description box. So we're going to get into it. We're going to do an overview, and then I will show you each little piece like super close up and more detailed after we just do the like general unboxing. Okay. And another reason why I'm excited to couple up with this brand, partner up with this brand, is because it's all about women empowering women, which is great. So here we go. Let's get into it. Here's the cute box. Mary Kay. And here's the top. So cute. So I already kind of cheated and opened, but I haven't looked at anything. I just opened. Oh, and look at the cute inside of this box. So when you get your order, it's super cute. A little more zhuzhed up than some other subscription boxes and things. This is not a subscription box. This is just an order of makeup. But hey, Mary Kay, maybe you think about that. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to dive into it. On top, looks like there's this awesome cosmetic bag, which, if anybody knows me, I like lots of little tiny bags for lots of different things. Oh, this is cute. So as you pull it out, you can see there's some really cute detailing on it. And it's got this little flappy part here. Oh, and it's got a magnetic snap. Beautiful. And I love this rose gold hardware. Nice quality zipper right here. Not cheaped out at all, Mary Kay. Way to go. And this is a perfect size to keep the new fall collection in, I think, if you're not counting brushes and things like that. So awesome. Love this. How freaking cute. There's the back. Again, it needs to sit out for a minute and settle, but it's great. And it's a good quality material, a good faux leather right here. Love it. So there's that. Oh, wow. And we got tons of colors in here, guys. All right. So this is called Peach, just Peach eyeshadow. I'm sorry, Golden Peach. Golden Peach, which makes much more sense for fall. And they come like this because you can get lots of individual colors and personalize your compacts. So that way you're not getting a compact of colors that you're not going to use, which I think is a really cool feature about the Mary Kay products. So there's that. I'm really liking that color. Rose gold. Really pretty. Really pretty. That'd also be a good highlighter, I think. And we have mahogany. And these are called the Chroma Fusion eyeshadows. So again, same packaging. I'm just going to give you a close-up there of the color. Really pretty. Again, that was mahogany. Onyx. Oh yeah, this is very me. Onyx. Ooh, yeah. This would be great for the smoky eyes that are going to be popping up all over this season. Oh, this is cute. This is called Hummingbird. Ooh, this one would go good with what I'm wearing now. Hummingbird. And if you see, man, that's a great name because it does kind of look like hummingbird wings. You can kind of see some of the shimmer. If I had better lighting, but you know, here we go. Is this another hummingbird? Yep, another hummingbird. Perfection. I'll probably go through this really quick. Really quick. And we've got some repeats here for the just in case. Here's a new one, Toffee Caramel. Pretty. Kind of goes with some of the leaves in the background. Another rose gold. Pomegranate. Meep. Pomegranate. I like this. Ooh. Really pretty. All right, I think that's all the eyeshadows. Oh wait, there's more. So there's another pomegranate. Thank you. And radiant blue. Ooh, got some 80s vibes here, but I'm digging it. I have some eyeliner that will go so cute with this. For those of us that have some blue in our eyes, I bet this really makes them pop too. Again, that was radiant blue. And we've got some samples here. Ooh, I love this brand, the Time Wise by Mary Kay. I have the Age Minimizing 3D Night Cream. Oh yes, I'm a woman of a particular age, almost leveling up to 40, so this is important stuff. Oh yeah, night cream. Ooh, and here's a cool sample called of Clear Proof Deep Cleaning Charcoal Mask. Oh yeah, good stuff. I love my masks. I can't wait to try this, especially on Self-Care Sunday. Yes. And here is a petite palette. Oh, a petite palette. Let's see. There's nothing really on the back. So petite palette. So cute. Oh. Yeah, guys. So here is a great example of what I was just talking about. So what's great about these eyeshadow colors with Mary Kay is that you can customize your palette how you want it. So you're not using colors, you don't have colors that are just going to waste. So that's a really great feature. And here is a petite palette. and it's so freaking cute. And you just put the eyeshadows in that I just showed you, so you can have different ones. And she has included 3 for me, so I can have 3 different setups. That's amazing. Thank you, Wendy. Wendy Taylor, you rock. And ooh, there's some lippies in here. Matte lipstick by Mary Kay, and this one's in taupe. Oh, we're gonna swatch this. Yes. Here's what it looks like. Wow, that's a beautiful neutral color. I think this kind of rivals some of those big brands, and it doesn't have hair in it, and it doesn't have mold in it. Jaclyn Hill. Wow, that's beautiful. Now let's swatch it. Ooh. Yeah, that came out nice. I can't wait to wear that one. And again, that color was taupe, or top, or taupe. This one is another matte, and it's called The Spice of Life. I mean, come on, how cute is that? And again, this pink and black packaging is just too cute. I love this. Love it. Ooh, that's pretty. Another neutral-ish color, but with some pop. That's awesome. We'll add some more. And again, that color was in The Spice of Life. This is what I'm working with, just showing you. Worms. Another Spice of Life. I love it. And another taupe. Perfection. And that's all. Some packaging that will definitely be reused. And so thank you again, Mary Kay. Just want to say that you are awesome. Will be a part 2 follow-up to this video where I'm doing a look on my youngest daughter, who has darker complexion than me, with this awesome fall collection. And then she is going to do a look on me, who is much fairer than her, with these products as well. Of course, we'll be using our own concealers and foundations and stuff, but I cannot wait to get into these lipsticks and these eyeshadows with my youngest and show you guys how these products work on different skin tones. Spoiler alert, they work great. Show you an example of how these awesome customizable palettes work. As you can see, I've already put a couple in there, and they just kind of stick in there like a magnet, it kind of feels like, and once you fill them up, boom, there you go. And you can divide them up with like lighter colors if you want, or you can put all your darker shades in one, whatever. I just think it's so cool. Look at that cute little palette. And this is the great size to throw in your purse too. Way to go, Mary Kay. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the eyeshadows for you so you can kind of see what they look like before we use them on our faces. Before Heaven and I, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these eyeshadows. That way you kind of get an idea of what they look like before they're used on faces, which will be coming up in another video. So here we go. Rose Gold. Again, this was the Rose Gold. Rose Gold. Ooh, that is pretty. Can't really see it with my lighting. Let's get in there darker. Can't really see, but beautiful light color. And this will be great for a highlighter too. This is toffee or caramel. Can see that one a little bit better. Just a little bit brighter. Beautiful fall color right there. Golden peach. Golden peach. It's better when you sing it. Golden peach. Where's my clean finger? Here we go. All right, that's this one right here. Golden peach. So you'll be able to see these much better when we go and do actual looks with them. And here comes onyx, which I know is going to be one of my absolute favorites. Oh yeah, look at that pigment. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, yes. And let's go to mahogany next. Mahogany. Ooh, that's mahogany. Look at that. Pretty. Great fall color. For me, kind of an everyday color. I like a lot of neutrals like that every day, but. And here's Hummingbird. Again, such a cute name and such a cute, cute color. Let me clean this finger off. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so pretty on your finger. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's Hummingbird right there. You kind of see greenish in there. Greenish brown. Very cool. Just like the wings of a hummingbird. Radiant blue. 80s vibes. But I love it. So pretty. So, so pretty. Again, with anybody with like some blue in their eyes, I bet this just really makes them pop. Really pretty there on the finger. Lipsticks. There you go. Look at that. Oh, yes, honey. That rivals some bigger brands and their blue colors. Just saying. Pomegranate. I don't know if I already showed this one. I don't think I did. Pomegranate. I love this. This could almost be a blush too, I guess. Probably depending on your skin tone. On my youngest, since she's dark, I bet this will look pretty on her as a blush. We'll see. There it is. Right there. Doo-doo. Pomegranate. Pretty. So there they are, kind of swatched as professionally as I can do, because, you know, I am not a beauty guru. I'm not part of the beauty community. And this is just a brand that I have used a lot in the past. And I'm very excited to start using again because it's been a while. And thank you so much for the samples and all this product. And again, if you guys will stay tuned, I'm going to do looks on darker skin and lighter skin with these beautiful fall colors. So hope you tune in for that. Please give a like. Helps. It's a free way to help your girl out. Just hit that like button. Hit subscribe, hit the little bell, and you will be notified whenever my crazy self is on YouTube again. Hope you like this unboxing. I highly encourage you to give your local Mary Kay consultant a try. Their personal attention and attention to detail, etc., is above and beyond what a lot of other makeup brands and companies provide, which is great. And again, they're all about women, empowering women. They were founded by a woman. The whole company was founded by a woman, which is really exciting and very cool. So Wendy Taylor, if you can, reach out to her. She is the best Mary Kay consultant out there. But again, I'm a little biased. Anyway, so I'm going to put the link to her info down below and a link to Mary Kay's website, and give them a try. Thank you for tuning in. Whatever you're going through today, you've got this. I'm sending you all my love and all my hugs and all my positive energy. Love ya. Mwah.